Welcome back to Future Fuel. Today we're diving into the legendary sports car that needs no introduction, the 2025 Porsche 911. Porsche has once again redefined automotive excellence, blending tradition with cutting-edge innovation. Let's explore what makes this model an absolute masterpiece. A design that speaks legacy. The Porsche 911 has always been an icon, and the 2025 edition stays true to its timeless silhouette. Porsche's designers have fine-tuned the classic curves to make them sleeker and more aerodynamic, enhancing performance without sacrificing the 911's instantly recognizable look. Subtle updates include sharper LED headlights, reimagined taillights with a continuous light bar, and slightly more aggressive air intakes. The result is a car that honors its heritage while embracing the future. In terms of dimensions, the 2025 model is slightly wider, which not only enhances its road presence, but also improves stability during high-speed cornering. Every line and contour serves a purpose, blending aesthetics with functionality. Powertrain innovation. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast, the engine. Porsche offers the 2.02591 with a variety of powertrains to suit every driver's need. From the base Carrera to the Track-Ficus Turbo S, each variant comes equipped with Porsche's state-of-the-art flat-six engines. The standout feature this year is the introduction of a mild hybrid system in the higher trims. This addition enhances power delivery while improving fuel efficiency, a significant leap forward for the 911 series. The Turbo S, for example, now boasts a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower, making it one of the fastest 911s ever produced. Porsche's engineers have worked tirelessly to refine the transmission system. The PDK dual-clutch transmission offers lightning-fast gear changes, but for purists, there is still a manual option available. Chassis and driving dynamics. Porsche is renowned for its engineering precision, and the 2.02591 is no exception. The chassis has been reworked to deliver an even better balance between comfort and performance. Adaptive suspension comes standard, allowing the car to glide smoothly on highways and carve corners on winding roads. Rear-wheel steering has also been improved, offering greater agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds. Combine this with Porsche's active aerodynamic system, and you've got a car that feels glued to the road no matter how hard you push it. Interior luxury meets technology. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit that seamlessly blends luxury and technology. The 2.02591 features a driver-centric design with premium materials like leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber. The central touchscreen has been upgraded to an ultra-responsive 12-inch display with Porsche's latest infotainment software. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time navigation. A new feature, Track Precision app, allows drivers to record and analyze their lap times, catering to enthusiasts who want to take their 911 to the track. For comfort, Porsche offers heated and ventilated seats with multiple customization options. The cabin is also surprisingly practical for a sports car, with enough room for 2 adults and a few travel bags. Please stop painting with a brush. Porsche is taking bold steps towards sustainability, and the 2.02591 reflects that commitment. The inclusion of hybrid technology is just the beginning. Porsche has also introduced eco-friendly manufacturing practices and is using sustainable materials throughout the car. By 2030, Porsche aims to make 80% of its vehicles electrified, and the 2025911 is a glimpse into that future. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Porsche 911 lineup starts at a base price of around $410,000, with the Turbo S topping out near $250,000. It's a steep price, but for those who seek the pinnacle of performance, luxury, and heritage, the 911 is worth every penny. The new model will hit dealerships early next year, and pre-order are already underway. Porsche enthusiasts, this is your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Final thought. The 2025 Porsche 911 is a testament to Porsche's relentless pursuit of perfection. It bridges the gap between tradition and innovation, offering a driving experience that's second to none. That's it for today's episode on Future Fuel. If you're as excited about the 2025 Porsche 911 as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on the cars shaping our future. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.